Hey guys, it's Adam from Tested. I am talking to you from Weta Workshop in New Zealand. Now, the last time we were here in 2016, you might remember that I sat and talked with Jules here, who was making a paint master for characters for a game called Giant Killer Robots.
That's right.
And we saw many maquettes like this, and then this game has now come out, and these are the toys, right? These are the characters.
These are the main figures. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
What has happened in the intervening 18 months with the game and with the figures? Because there's a lot going on here.
Yeah, okay. While we were making the game, we came up with all these different robots, different designs, and then we had to mold them and cast them. So spare bits started leaking out into the workshop.
Spare bits of the small and the big robots.
Yeah. So
as they do, they migrate. Cool, interesting parts have a life of their own. Yes?
Yes, and there's a lot of robot lovers in the workshop.
Shocking.
So, shocking, right? So people started building their own robots. It started one or two.
Yeah.
People sort of in secret corners.
And this is just people in their spare time, at lunch, after work, just sort of adding parts and bits and bobs to make their own,
Correct.
Their own avatar, their own character.
Yeah, and that sort of went viral, and soon everyone wanted to build their own robot. And this is some of them.
So this is the result simply of the enthusiasm for nifty parts and pieces and bits and bobs, and what the denizens here at Weta will do when confronted with a bunch of those.
Yeah. Most of it in secret. Yeah.
Oh my God! And off hours and everything. This is crazy.
So this is Christian's one. He's one of the head designers of this. He invented this world. This is his take on the King Wolf.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Amazing.
cool.
And I see what seems like a very dark one here. Nursey, who is holding on to a syringe.
That's my one, actually. That's one of mine, yeah.
You have a dark sense of humor.
Well, I wanted a girl. All the robots seem to be boys, so I thought a girl would be good.
Oh, I see. She's got a couple of large knockers there, as it were. Tell me what are some of your favorite highlights here.
This one here is probably my favourite. This is Dory's one from the head of paint shop, which is a skin bot.
Wow.
And she snuck some swear words on there, which is always a bonus.
Oh, it's like it's like as if a whole bunch of tattooed flesh has been stretched over a robot. It's when the head of a painting department decides to paint. Of course, I can see they would give themselves a really difficult challenge.
Yeah.
This is magnificent.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, you guys are seeing close-ups of this. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. That is also, by the way, not a little screwed up that the flesh robot.
That's I think it's probably a side effect of this industry. There's a lot of gore.
Yeah. Do you guys have? Wow, there's an entire plane on top, and the green is so gorgeous.
It's an awesome one. That's Dave Tremont's. He's a huge Thunderbird era model making fan. So I think that harks back to that sort of age a little bit.
It does. It does. It's a little more beaten up than the Thunderbird world might get. So I appreciate the upgrade.
I don't think nothing really escapes the workshop very clean.
No. No. Do you guys have plans to have a show of these at some point?
We showed them at Comic-Con in 2017, some of them, and I don't know what there's talk, there's always ideas being thrown around. I'm not sure where we'll go or what we'll do.
Is it still ongoing? Are people still showing up and turning up with new creations?
Absolutely, yeah.
That is fantastic. I mean, the creativity that runs through this place, it's not just for the paycheck, it's the passion.
It's a passion, it's a way of life.
Yeah.
And we're hoping this will encourage other people. When you buy the game, you can get your own parts. And hopefully this will, get people into making their own robots.
Yeah. That is actually the idea that people can see this and realize how much you can mod and change and shift.
This one, this is Savage Adam. This is a gift. This is for you.
That is incredible. It looks like he's either about to shoot something or play cricket.
That's there's an affectionate little note for you here.
Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. I love that you've chosen the orange. You made him a ginger robot. I appreciate that.
And we got your sword there. We're having Excalibur's there.
Ah, right, of course. That is so fantastic. It's got Excalibur on the side, and on the bottom it says, test this. Or, sorry, in the local language, taste this. Taste. I didn't even get that one right. Oh my God, Jules, this is so beautiful. Thank you.
No, thank you,
And thank
man.
you
Thank you.
for showing me that. Like, this is just I love all the detritus that happens on the side of a model maker or a creative person's desk.
It's endless fun, you know.
Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous.
There's more. There's more
There's
bits
more?
for you.
Okay.
Now you
Oh!
can make your own robots
Oh, I will.
and play with them.
Okay. Oh my God. This is funny. I was gonna wait till the camera was off, and I was gonna, could I get some parts and maybe make my own? But you have already answered the question.
There you go.
This is totally a one-day build. We're gonna do this. I don't mean to say, oh, this will happen in one day, because no one-day build ever takes a day. But I will take on this challenge.
Good.
I will send you guys a bot.
Oh, we'll look forward to seeing it.
Jules, thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Cheers. See you guys.